So one way to describe type information for our JavaScript code is using JSDoc, which is a special type of comment we can add to our code. Let me show you. So first we remove this line, then we type a / followed by 2 asterisks. Now look, VS Code detected this line as a JSDoc comment, so let's press enter to generate the comment. Good. So you can see we have one parameter called income, and here in braces, you can see the type of this parameter. Now, at this point, VS Code doesn't know the type of this parameter. That's why we have an asterisk here. So here we need to jump in and explicitly set the type of this parameter to number. Now, similarly, on the second line, we can specify the type of the return value. So once again, we type braces with number. Now let's recompile our code and see what happens. All right, this time we get a compilation error in index.ts on this line. The error is saying we expected 1 argument, but we got 0. So let's go to index.ts and supply an argument right here. Good. Now, in the previous videos, I had a compilation error on this line saying there is no type definition file for this module. If you get the same error, just restart VS Code, okay? Now let's recompile our code one more time. All right, no more compilation errors, great. So using JSDoc, we can provide type information to the TypeScript compiler, but we can also explain our code. For example, on the first line, we can provide a description for this function. We can say calculate income tax. Then similarly, we can explain each parameter. For example, here we can say net salary after expenses. Now, back to index.ts. If you hover over this function, we can see the descriptions we provided. That's very useful. So this is JSDoc, but we also have another way to provide type information to the TypeScript compiler. We'll talk about that next.